To replace the footrest actuator, the first thing we need to do is tip the chair forward and disconnect the power cable. Next, we need to detach the hook and loop fasteners that secure that fabric cover. It is secured along the bottom edge as well as around the metal frame. We need to be able to slide that to the left to expose the footrest actuator. Next, we'll use a wire cutter to cut the zip tie that secures the cabling to the chair frame. Okay, next we can unplug the footrest actuator connector from the main control module. Then we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw that secures the actuator to the main control module. Okay, then we can slide the main control module downward to detach it from the footrest actuator. Next, we need to remove the clip and washer that secure the mounting pin at each end of the actuator. Then we can remove the mounting pin from each end of the actuator. And remove the actuator from the chair. To install the new actuator then, we can place the actuator into position, aligning the mounting points, and then replace the 2 pins to hold it in place. After installing each pin, install the washer and then the clip to secure it. Okay, now we're ready to slide the main control module onto the footrest actuator mounting bracket and replace the screw to secure it. Next, we can connect the footrest actuator cable to the main control module. And be sure to align the pins properly before installing the connector into the socket. Next, we need to isolate the control module cable and the 2 actuator cables. We're going to coil those cables up and secure them to the chair frame out of the way using a zip tie. And we can cut the excess zip tie. Then we're ready to reattach the cloth cover to the metal chair frame and then along the bottom using the hook and loop fasteners. And we can plug in the power cable, return the chair back to the upright position, and we're done.